Imagine a blockchain that's faster, smarter, and more secure, powered by AI and DAG technology. Meet Nexchain, the next generation blockchain built for scalability, security, and real-world utility with ultra-low fees, instant transactions, pre-sale starting at just 0.10. This could be the next big opportunity. Let's explore Nexchain.
All right, guys, I got an awesome project for you today. We are combining AI and DAG, low fees, everything you want, and getting rid of those inefficient technologies. L1 projects that just don't work. I know you're tired of that. I know you also want projects that are good at fundraising. What if I told you we could do it all in one place? What if I told you Nexchain is the first AI and DAG blockchain with advanced technology, decentralized security, wrapped all into one? So, we're going to break this down. We're also going to check out their awesome referral program. So you can join the pre-sale right here. It's also 0.01. So go ahead and jump into round one. I'm going to show you how to do that in 1 second. They got big partners. OpenAI is one of them. Amazon, NVIDIA. So high transactions. The speed is insane. What do I mean by insane speeds? I mean we are going 50 million miles an hour, or I should say 400,000 transactions per second, interoperability, so we do not have problem with cross-chain bridges. And the best thing is this is good for developers. It gives you security, it simplifies Web3, and it gives you decentralized management. Now, what institutions can it be used in? If you're in finance, if you're in healthcare, if you're in IoT, if you're in IT, if you're in a government building, decentralized AI, it's all possible. And I see this going to the moon. They also have an audit by SolidProof and CoinSalt just on top of it. So if you want quick transactions, you want decentralized management, it's all possible. Now, before we get into the pre-sale, we got the breakdown of the tokenomics with 5% to marketing, 7 to reward, 5 to seed, 17 to treasury, 8 to liquidity, and then 6 to burn. So it is deflationary. The value will go up. 20% to public, 7 to private, 10 to team, and 15 to the ecosystem. Got the awesome team right here. They are fully doxed from the CEO and big plans in Q2, rolling out the rev share model, collecting community feedback, and it just keeps getting better. More network scalability. How fast can it go? And support for decentralized AI. AI and DAG, let's go. This is Nexchain AI Blockchain, and we can join the pre-sale right here. So to do that, we'll want a couple of things. We'll want to be able to connect a wallet. So we'll want a MetaMask wallet, a Trust wallet, anything like that. So if you have not done so, go ahead and install one of these wallets. You can see which one's installed. I like Trust Wallet for the security, but feel free to use anything that you prefer. Then we just simply go ahead, pop in our password, and then go ahead and proceed. It's gonna just say that, and then we switch, boom, boom, and we are in. Yes, sir, got the address, got the Ethereum. Now, you'll want to top it off with some Ethereum. So buy some Ethereum either in your Trust wallet, send it from a central exchange, do whatever you gotta do, and then swappy swap a pair. Then we have the ability to deposit if we so choose. We can see the leaderboard actually. But the thing I want to highlight is the referral link. So you can earn USDT instantly with Nexchain. All you got to do is share this link out. Share it to social media, share it to your email list, share it to your family, friends, everybody you've ever known, or at least a few people who like blockchain. All right, connect your wallet as we saw, share your referral link, and get cash back. It is just that simple. So that's why I love Nexchain. Getting awesome rewards. Everything is here. And you can give them a big follow on all their socials. X, Telegram, give them a follow on Facebook. Also check out their white paper, and everything right here. If we check out their X or Twitter, whichever one it is nowadays, we can go ahead and see that they have a lot of followers, over 77,000 right here. Nexchain.ai. The pre-sale is live. No more waiting. We have a lot of tokenomics to discuss, and we can even see they're hard at work here. Let me know what you think of Nexchain down below. I'm really excited for this, and I think with AI, DAG, with the amazing amount of transactions they can perform and everything, I'm super excited. And join the pre-sale. Just showed you how. Get that Web3 wallet, top it off, and then swap the pair. If you got questions or comments, let me know down below. What do you think of Nexchain? And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.